In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to place clean, consistent page numbers across your PDF. Start by heading to the Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is your hub for recent files and tools. Open the PDF you want to work with. In a demo, you might see a sample file, but you can select any document you need to number. Once your file is open, look toward the upper left and choose All Tools. This reveals the full set of features available for editing your PDF. From here, select Edit PDF. This puts Acrobat into editing mode so you can modify elements like headers, footers, and text overlays without changing the core content of your pages. Next, choose Header and Footer. This is where page numbers live. Click Add to create a new header or footer configuration for your document. A dialog appears with placement boxes for left, center, and right positions at the top and bottom of the page. Click in the location where you want your page number to appear. Bottom center is a common choice for formal documents, while bottom right is popular for reports. In the text field, enter page 1 as your base label. Acrobat will use this as a pattern and automatically number the remaining pages for you, so you don't have to type anything for each page. To control how the numbers look, select Page and Date Format. This opens options for the numbering style and any date you might want to include. Choose a page number format that fits your document's tone, such as 1, 2, 3, or I, U, ET, and then confirm your selection by clicking OK. Back in the main dialog, adjust the appearance so the numbers are easy to read. You can change the font and size to match your document's style. Aim for a size that's visible without distracting from the content. Something modest and consistent works best. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the header or footer. Acrobat will place the page numbers across your file based on the location and format you selected. Take a quick scroll through your pages to make sure the alignment and style look consistent. That's it. You opened your PDF, navigated to the editing tools, added a header or footer, chose where the numbers go, set the numbering format, customized the font and size, and applied the changes. If you ever need to revise the look later, return to header and footer to update or remove them. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.